Seeing this couldn't find this account message in TikTok on your iPhone? Well, look no further. In this complete video, I'll show you how to solve the couldn't find this account message in TikTok. So, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. You entered the correct email or username. After ensuring these basic settings, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear App Cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 2. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved or not. Now go to the TikTok app and try to log in again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. So folks, this is the way to solve this couldn't find this account message on your TikTok on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any kind of questions, then write them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.